First is on the basis of period. There are three types: long term, medium term and short term. When you required money for more than 5 years, you can use long term sources like equity shares, retained earnings, preference shares, debentures, loan from financial institutions and loan from banks. When you require money for less than 5 years but more than 1 year, that means between 1 to 5 years, you can use medium term sources like loan from banks, public deposit, loan from financial institutions, lease financing is there. And when you required money for less than 1 year, you can use short term resources like trade credit, factoring, banks and commercial papers. Second is on the basis of ownership. There are two types. First is owners fund and second is borrowed fund. This whole chapter is about these two category only, that is owners fund and borrowed fund. Owners fund means funds that are provided by owners of an enterprise, which may be sole trader or a partner or shareholder of a company. Apart from capital, it also includes profits reinvested in business. That means retained earnings are also part of owners fund. The owner's capital remain in the business for a longer period of time and it is not required to be refunded during the life period of business. Here owner is getting control and management of business. So you can issue by issue of shares or by use of retained earnings. These two are the important sources of owners fund. Second is borrowed fund. It refers to the funds raised through loans and borrowings. It includes debentures, loan from banks, loan from financial institution, public deposits, lease financing and commercial papers. The important thing is that it is provided for a specific period on certain terms and conditions. It has to be repaid after completion of specific period. A fixed rate of interest has to be paid by the borrower and it is increasing the financial burden of business because interest on loan has to be paid even when there is a low profit or when loss is incurred. At that time also you have to pay. One more thing is there, borrowed funds are provided on the security of some assets of business. Now the last one is on the basis of source of generation. There are two categories in it, internal sources and external sources. Internal sources are those funds that are generated within business, means by owner or by the investment of profit. That means retained earnings. You can keep earnings in business itself. It can be also arranged by accelerating collection of receivables or disposing inventories. But internal sources of funds can be fulfill only limited need of business. Second, you can see external sources are there. External sources are arranged from the outside of organization, like from the supplier, from the lender or from the investor. Generally, when large amount of money is required, it is arranged from external sources. Remember, external sources are costly as compared to internal sources. External sources also require to mortgage its assets as security while obtaining funds from external sources. It includes issue of debentures, borrowing from banks or financial institutions, public deposit, issue of preference shares, lease financing, commercial paper, trade credit, factoring. These all are a part of external sources. So here our topic classification of sources of funds is over. Remember, about all these source of funds we will discuss in detail in coming videos, like what is its meaning, what is the merits of source, what is the limitation of source. All these things will be discussed in next coming videos.